Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be continuing the restoration of this WAC GM-RD60 finish mower. It's a 60-inch mower. I acquired it recently and I'm just working on restoring it to get it ready for the mowing season. In this episode I'm going to be straightening some bent blades, prepping for paint, and painting. You can see in this photo the blades are very bent, so quite a long process of heating and bending these blades and also balancing them to get them ready to go back on the machine. They're not the best of shape, but I hope to get 1 to 2 more seasons out of these blades, so that's why I'm investing the time into straightening them. Enjoy the video. If you like the content, please subscribe. It'll enable me to continue to do these type of videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here I want to show you what I'm working with. All 3 of these blades were bent really bad. The back 2, you can see I finally got those straight. This front one is the one that I'm going to be working on next. Just gives you a good perspective of how bent that third one is. They were all kind of like that, but now the first 2 are aligned. This third one is really bad. I don't even know how this happens. If you know how this happens, if you could put it in the comments, I would appreciate it. But you can see those back 2 look the same now. Let's just working on this one next. You're going to notice throughout this time lapse of me spraying with this paint gun that it's not producing much coverage, and that's because I have a very small air compressor. It's a 21 gallon and it can't keep up. So I have the air pressure set pretty low. It's at 40 psi, so it doesn't spray a whole lot of paint when you pull the trigger. Even, no matter really how much the gun settings you adjust, you need that air pressure to put out the volume of paint. So kind of a slow process here, and then I have to take several stops to let the air compressor fill up. So kind of a slow process, but in case you're wondering why I'm not getting a lot of volume of air coming out of the gun, or volume of paint, sorry, coming out of the gun, that's the reason why. This is going to conclude part 2 of this video. You can see I got all the accessories painted, the belt guards, the caster carriers for the wheels, the gearbox mount, and the 3-point attachments here in the next photo. I didn't spend a whole ton of time prepping this stuff for paint just because it's going to get beat up for mowing anyway, but at least it'll protect it from rusting, which was the main goal, and hopefully this lasts for many more years. I hope you enjoyed, and watch for part 3 for the assembly and probably testing, so doing the first mowing with it. I'm going to let it sit and dry for probably a week. That Battleship gray paint from Diamond Bright is recommended minimum 24 hours cure, and it's a day later that I'm recording this voiceover, and it's still a little bit tacky, so I'm going to give it a little bit more time. It's still early in the year. We're still in early April right now, so it's cooler temperatures, so it's probably taking a little longer to cure. So I'm going to let that cure and then assemble it and give it a test. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe. Thanks again.